Hey guys, this is a up-to-date pumpkin kit. You're going to get your intro page with what's in it. You're going to get the how to plant it, also what to look for, different steps here, and then you're going to get your little like journaling page. I'm putting in dill in the first 15 that I sell. And then here's the pumpkin seeds. You can see you're getting a mixture. So the whole Great Pumpkin Search isn't about the biggest pumpkin necessarily. I've thrown in some blue pumpkins. The main pumpkin that we're featuring is the Cinderella's Carriage. It is a hybrid, but it is a pink, red, flat, round pumpkin. And then there is also going to be a mix of the spooky pumpkin seeds in there, so the kids will get a kick out of some of those. There's going to be the Big Moon and the Connecticut Field pumpkin. So there's a mix. I want the kids to enjoy this and get a surprise. So, they can choose to carve them. They can choose to eat them. They can choose to do whatever. Grow them in a container. I am including 2 grow bags that you can start a couple in. But really want them to dive in. I want them to keep the journal and learn. You can see I've included the life cycle of the pumpkin, what the little flowers will look like. And there's also an add-on package, $2 downloadable, and it is going to tell you what you can do with every piece of the pumpkin, couple recipes, and it's also going to have a did you know sheet. So look for that going up. It's all digital though, no mailings. If you don't have a printer, you can reach out to me and I'll mail it out, but there is going to be postage, of course, probably 2 stamps. But just let me know. I want everybody to participate, and I want these things to go out far and wide. Now's the time you want to get it, plan them, and let's see how everything goes. Congratulations, guys.